What up, guys? I scrolled the YouTube channels and the internet real fast today, and I realized that taking apart a Samsung monitor screen, the model is S24C350. I don't know if that means a lot, but I took this screen apart, and I'll just go through real quickly on how to disassemble it, so people probably won't make the mistakes that I made. I'll do this real quick. So this is obviously the frame. This is how it comes with the screen and the PCB board attached on the back. But once you have the screen, you'll have this foot on there, and it's attached to the holder of the foot, so you can turn it in angles. But basically you want to start with taking off the screw in the back. Then if you follow a guide, you don't need to follow a guide, you can just wriggle this bad boy free. Samsung has a video, an official video, that you just need to wiggle it, take your strong arm and just pop it out. Be aware of, if your screen is facing downwards, that you actually want to save that screen. So back to the framework of the initial screen, and that's holding these two bad boys. And what I actually realized is that the screen in itself is held by clamps, so you can actually just pop them open with a flat screwdriver right here. I don't know what they're called in English, but then you'll pop it open. But once you do that, you realize that this back of the screen monitor is actually attached somewhere. And what I realized is that there is this rubber thing right here. You simply take it off, like that, and then you'll realize that there is a small screw behind it. It's very simple. You unscrew that, and then the entire PCB right here is unattached. Now you can flip the front of the screen open, and once you do that, you have to be careful at the end, because in the right side of the monitor there will be a little cord like this that is controlling, I would imagine it's saving power mode or light or something like that. But you have to deattach that, and obviously the display cord right here is also attached to the monitor here. I'm sorry for the camera, but it's attached slowly right there, and you want to deattach that as well. And obviously this bad boy here, the power controller, is not attached in the frame, so to say, but you want to neatly take it out. I took it out of the PCB as well because I was unsure, but basically you can have this being a part of your assembly like that. So I just want to show this real quick, because after I traveled through the internet I didn't find this. Hope this helps for any one of you. I'm doing this to set up a magic mirror with a Raspberry Pi later, so if any of you out there is interested in taking apart a monitor that looks like a Samsung or whatever, this is how to do it. Thank you very much, and bye bye.